Here's an in-depth review of the ASUS Zenbook Ultra 5 based on its key aspects. Display quality. The ASUS Zenbook Ultra 5 comes with an OLED Full HD Plus display, which offers vibrant colors and deep contrast. This display technology is ideal for users who do photo editing, video streaming, or any color-sensitive tasks, as it typically provides excellent color accuracy and sharp blacks. Performance. Equipped with the Intel Core Ultra 5125H processor, this laptop is built to handle a good range of tasks. Its 12 cores provide a balance of efficiency and performance, allowing for smooth multitasking in day-to-day activities, light photo or video editing, and general productivity. Design and build. The Zenbook Ultra 5 is crafted from durable aluminum, giving it a sleek, professional look while remaining lightweight. It's a good choice for those needing a stylish laptop they can carry easily, with a design often praised for being thin, compact, and well-suited for travel. Battery life. The battery life is typically a strong point, with around 8 to 10 hours on light to moderate usage, thanks to efficient power management. The actual battery life, though, can vary based on factors like display brightness and whether heavy applications are running. Keyboard and touchpad. The keyboard has a backlight, making it convenient for low-light environments, and users generally find the typing experience responsive. The touchpad is spacious and accurate, with the added functionality of ASUS's number pad feature, which integrates a numeric keypad into the touchpad. Connectivity. It has a versatile selection of ports, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and an audio jack, ensuring good compatibility with most peripherals. Wi-Fi 6 support also means faster and more reliable internet connections. Final thoughts. Overall, the ASUS Zenbook Ultra 5 is well suited for users who need a combination of style, performance, and high display quality, especially for work, browsing, and light creative tasks. However, heavy gaming or demanding graphic applications might be limited by the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics. Let me know if you need more specific details or have particular usage in mind. Thanks for tuning in to Arman's Tech World. If you enjoyed the video and want to stay updated on the latest tech, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for notifications on new uploads. Your support means the world, so stay with me as we explore the future of tech together. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.